first inside images of the Garbhagriha, the Sanctum Sanctorum of the Ram Mandir. Exclusive footage here on India Today, where you can in fact see a puja that's underway in the Garbhagriha. The slab, the marble slab that you see on your screens there, it's on top of that the Ram Lalla idol will be placed. And right now, you can see that a puja is underway. There are several rituals as part of the Pran Pratishtha, which will happen over the next few days, which is currently underway there in the Garbhagriha. But it looks absolutely beautiful. Look at the intricate work of the walls. It's here in that pedestal, that massive pedestal, the waist level one that you see there, made fully of Makrana marble, where Ram Lalla will sit, where the idol will stay for the next many centuries to come. This is a civilizational moment for India, and you get a sense of how monumental and how significant it is when you really see the kind of work that's been done to bring the Ram Mandir together. The beautiful work, the intricacy with which the carvings have been made along the walls. And here on your screens right now, you can see the puja that's underway, the pre-Pran Pratishtha rituals that are taking place today as well in the Garbhagriha. Samarth Srivastava is joining us with more details on this. Our first glimpse, Samarth, of what the Garbhagriha looks like. And it's absolutely beautiful, made fully of marble. Rituals are underway right now. It's on that slab of Makrana marble that we will see the Ram Lalla idol being placed on 22nd.
Well, obviously it looks so wonderful as we see in the pictures and the videos which we have accessed, and that has been given by Swami Sunil Das, who is a Kerala saint. He also received an invitation regarding that particular event, because regarding that particular consecration ceremony that's happening on January 22, and he even offered prayers on January 14th, and these videos are from January 14. As per him, India Today also interviewed that particular saint, that the Kerala saint who has come here along with many of his saints from Kerala, and he has been here for 14-15 days. But what the pictures, the visuals are telling, this is such a majestic look of temple. We do showed our viewers the view from outside, but this Garbhagriha view is really amazing, and that's how it has been presented, and what we got to see, that many priests out here offering prayers around this particular area of Garbhagriha. So this is such some pictures. And also, as per this particular saint, he was here for 15 days. He even praised Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, CM Yogi Adityanath, and said it was never possible without these two top leaders.
And what you see on your screens is essentially the asana, the platform over which the Ram Lalla idol will be placed. You can see the puja happening around it. Samarth, can you give us details of the ritual that we're seeing right now? These are pre-Pran Pratishtha rituals. Today as well, important puja that's being held. Can you also, in fact, okay, before I go back to Samarth, let me also play out for you the conversation that Samarth had with the pujari who is performing these rituals.
Who has come all the way to Ayodhya for seeking blessings of Lord Sri Ram. Warm welcome to you in the land of Lord Sri Ram.
Yes, yes.
Your good name?
Swami Sunil Das, Sneha Mashtam, Kerala.
Okay. So what are you here for?
I am the only blessing prayers, Loga Samasta Sugina Maundu, the pranam to Lord Sri Rama.
Okay. So you have met Sampath Rai ji?
All the meet, Sampath Roy, all the trustees, the Mahant Dinendra ji meet, Ram Gopal ji meet, all of meet.
So for how many days you are in Ayodhya?
I am in 15 days finish after Prana Pratishtha going.
So you have got the invitation of Prana Pratishtha?
Yes, invitation. Yes.
How excited you are for it?
No, invitation heart very important. That is a Prana Pratishtha. That's official some invitation. My inside always Rama here. That's important. That's invitation. Here all of city medias. That's a Bhagavan's invitation. You are here this India channel. India. The India Today channel today here, that's the Rama's blessings, Sankalpam.
Okay, so that's a decade-long struggle for those who lost their lives in the struggle. How you see it?
No struggle. The life natural rule, darkness and light very important, equal. No struggle. That is only Leelas.
So did you see development in Ayodhya?
Big development. I am 10 years back, 6 months back. Today Ayodhya, Rama Rajya.
Okay. So who's going to get the credit of Ram Rajya?
Ramarajya's credit all over the world. This is a Rama, no, in world, universal God, universal Father, omnipresent, omnipotential, Sarva Vyabhi, Sarveshwaran, Sarva Devada Swarupan, Sarva Devada Adida Swarupam.
So your views for Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, have you met him?
Eh?
Have you met the Prime Minister of India?
Just a
What are your
millimeter.
views?
No, I meet the Prime Minister. It's a
What
good.
are your views for him, like his governance and everything?
No, it's a good man. It's a yogi. It's a divine man. Today, Prime Minister in our Kerala, 2 temple visited, Rama temple and Krishna temple, just to visit.
And what about Yogi Adityanath, CM of UP?
Very strong man in India. No, Aditya, Yogi Aditya, he's a Maharshi, he's a Rishi. Bikram Aditya and Yogi Aditya.
So one last question to you. There are many.
I meet in Yogi Adityanath ji. In his house and chanting some Rama bhajan.
So there are some parties who haven't got invitation and they are saying that why haven't you got an invitation? While Trust is saying that they have given the invitation.
No,
many have got the invitation and still they are not coming.
No, wait, some rule and regulation, protocol, many things. All over the world function. No, all of the welcome.
So your message for the people of South as you are here on the land of Lord.
Message, Ramanamam Mahamandram. Rama Mandram, World Peace Mandra, Loga Shanti, Sri Ramachandra, Jaya Ramachandra, Raghuveer Ranadir, Raghukula Rama, Sri Ramachandra, Jaya Ramachandra, Loga Samasta, Sukhino Bhava.
Many thanks for the time. So saints from all over India are coming on in the land of Lord Shri Ram to take blessings and also take part in the Pran Pratishtha event. With cameraman Sanjay Samarth Srivastav for India Today.
India Today. പരിക്രമം 1,50,000 people daily. പ്രതീക്ഷ.